Are you ready to kickstart your career as a business analyst in 2025? Wondering how you can excel in this field with zero coding? Stay tuned as we take you through the ultimate business analyst roadmap for success. In this video, we will cover essential skills, tools, interview strategies, and career opportunities in the USA and beyond. A business analyst bridges the gap between business needs and technology solutions. They analyze processes, identify improvements, and ensure solutions align with the business goals. The best part? No coding required for most BA roles. Must have skills for a business analyst in 2025. To succeed as a business analyst in 2025, you will need these must have skills: strong communication and problem solving, expertise in tools like Excel, Tableau, and SQL, familiarity with agile methodologies and SDLC, understanding of business processes and workflows, and finally, the analytical thinking and data visualization. Top tools every business analyst must learn. First, Microsoft Excel, data manipulation and reporting. Second, SQL, retrieving and analyzing data. Third, Tableau, Power BI, creating interactive dashboards. And fourth, Jira, Confluence, agile project management. Career scope and salary trends in 2025. Business analysts are in high demand across industries like finance, healthcare, retail, and IT. The average salary for a business analyst in the USA ranges from $75,000 to $100,000. How to prepare for a business analyst interviews? Here's what you need to focus on. First, prepare for common questions. For example, how do you handle requirement gatherings? Second, explain how you manage stakeholders and workflows. Third, highlight your experience with tools and processes. And finally, show confidence and clear communication skills. Zero coding myth. Do business analysts need to code? Do you think coding is necessary? Absolutely not. Business analysts focus on bridging gaps and analyzing workflows. Ready to start your journey as a business analyst? Follow this roadmap, master the skills, and watch your career soar. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more career insights. Check the description for exclusive resources.